Hello everyone, welcome to your science class. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 9, soil. What is soil? Soil is one of the most important natural resources. The word soil is derived from a Latin word solium, meaning earthy materials in which plants grow. Soil is a source of water and nutrients for the plants. It also provides support to the plants and by holding their roots. Besides this, it is the home for many organisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoans, and burrowing animals. Earthworms that lives in soil help to increase the soil fertility. They make burrows in the soil and excrete it in the form of worm cast. Earthworm is generally called the farmer's friend. Formation of soil. Soil is formed by the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces by various breaking agents like air, water, temperature, and other climatic factors. The process of soil formation from the rocks is the called weathering. Some microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, algae, plants, etc. also causes weathering of rocks and formation of soil called biological weathering. The nature of soil depends upon the type of parent rock and the type of plant that grown in it. And soil profile. If you see a vertical section of soil up to 2 meters up to the parent rock, it shows different layers. Each layer is called horizon. The arrangement of horizon is called as soil profile. We can usually see top layer of soil. A soil profile can be seen by looking at the sides of recently dug ditch. A soil profile consists of three layers of or horizons. Point A, topsoil or a horizon. This is the uppermost horizon. It is dark in color because of the presence of rotten dead matter called humus. The horizon is the most fertile one. May living organisms like worms, rodents, moles, and beetles are present in this layer. Roots of small plants are also present in this horizon. And B point of B horizon. This horizon is present just below the A horizon. This horizon contains less amount of humus and more amount of inorganic salts. Roots, the tall plants can reach to this horizon. And point C, C horizon. It is the lowest horizon. It consists of small lumps of rocks. Beneath the sea horizon, bedrock is present which cannot be easily dug up. Look at this picture. Soil profile, topmost layer present in humus present in topmost layer of the soil in a horizon or topmost soil, and B horizon in light in color, and C horizon dark in color, and bedrock in reddish in color. And soil weathering of rocks present in the formation of smaller particles as gravel, sand, silt, and clay. Gravel particles are larger in size and clay particles are smaller in size. Mixing of different percentages of these particles result in the formation of different types of soil. Point A, sandy soil. Point B, clay soil, and point C, loamy soil. Point A, sandy soil contains a large proportion of sand particles and small proportions of clay. Large particles of sand do not fit closely together, leaving large spaces between them. These spaces are filled with air, water, can drain quickly through the space between the sand particles, so sandy soil is generally light, well aerated, and to some extent dry. And point B, clayey soil contains greater proportions of clay particles and a small proportion of sand. Small sized clay particles are tightly packed together, so clayey soil have poor space for air. Unlike sand soil, it can hold water in its gaps. Clayey soil is poorly aerated, but it is heavy as it can hold more water than the sandy soil. And loamy soil is the best of growing plants. It is a mixture of sand, clay, and one more type of soil particles called silt. This soil contains right proportions of air and water for the growth of the plants. Soil type depending on size, soil particles. Look at this table. Soil particle and particle size: gravel size above 2 mm and sand particles size 0.05 to 2.00 mm, and silt particle size 0.00 to 0.05 mm, and clay particle size less than 0.002 mm. We have discussed our today topic, soil, types of soils and type soil profile. We will discuss our next topic in next video. Thanks. Have a nice day.